Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the third challenge of screenflow distribution, which is add a flow as an action on a record. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll come here. We'll just scroll down, and after that, we'll click on launch. After clicking launch, we'll come here. Here in the top right corner, there is a gear icon. So just click on it and click on setup. Then it will throw us here. Now beside home there is object manager, so just click on it, and under object manager we'll click on account. Guys, if you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, here we'll click on buttons, links and actions. We'll just click on it, and after that here we'll click on new action. Now we'll select action type as flows, and for label we'll come to the place from where we have started our challenge. We'll just copy flow action and we will paste it under label. Name will directly be taken if you will click on this empty space, then click on save. After clicking save, again we'll wait for a while, then we'll again click on object manager, which is above here. Now again we'll click on account, and this time we'll go to page layouts, and after that see here account layout is there. We'll just click on it, and here guys, this is my third take for the same video. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, now here see there is a link below which is override the predefined action, so just click on it, then click on mobile and lightning action. We'll just click on it, and here see flow action is there. We'll just drag that and we will drop it here this side in the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience. See, flow action came. This will take first. See, this is how it should be there. Flow action should be first. After that the rest all thing will be there. Then click on save. After clicking save, we'll wait for a while. Now it's saved, completely saved. We'll come to the place from where we have started our challenge, and we'll just click here to check challenge. Guys, if you like my videos, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, it takes lot of effort to create a single video. Guys, if you complete this challenge, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, if you face any kind of error, you can comment in the comment section. I'll be following you up as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys.